We are committed to ethical, free-ranging practices. We prioritize the civet's health, allowing them to
A dedicated veterinary team ensures every civet maintains a diverse, omnivorous diet and receives regular health checks.
How the digestive enzymes break down the pulp, reducing bitterness, while the inner bean remains protected.
While the civet selects the best, this step guarantees only the densest, highest quality beans proceed. Every batch must reach the perfect moisture level before the parchment is removed, revealing the precious green bean inside. Every finished package is inspected to ensure the quality and integrity of this truly unique product.
And that's how Kopi Luwak is made, from the choosy civet to the final smooth cup. We hope you enjoyed this look at our ethical process.